Quick update from the Kayo. It has now 16 hours. I installed a Runleader, which is pretty handy. And up there you could see maybe the runtime. It's 15.9 hours. And yeah, I would recommend it. Super easy to install. Just wrap the cable around the spark plug and that's it. Yeah, I fall another time that was bending the brake pedal a bit, but it was easy to correct and to bend it back. So I took it off, hammered it a bit and installed it again. That was easy. I just did another oil change. That also went super easy again. Warm it up, shift through the gears and then just let it run out. Watch my other video if you want to learn more about the oil change. A friend drove it and accidentally fall. So now we also have some scratches on the exhaust. A little bit down here. A little bit on the engine here. And when he was falling, also these rotated a little bit. So I took it apart to see if everything is in good condition, and my idea was that there is a screw going through this and then coming out down there, this one. But it's only a bolt and this screw is only there so that you can counter. So you can screw it on with your hand and then hold it and then use a nut to do it down here. And originally it was installed in this hole, and as you can see from the side, it can either go to the front or to the back. And it was installed in the rear hole facing to the back, and now it's in the front hole facing to the front, and that made the seating position way more nice, but also made everything here a little bit tighter. So here's a little bit of movement now, a little bit of touch, let's say. Here's a little bit of space. And I'm gonna reroute the clutch cable that it comes up here and goes into the clutch lever, because yeah, if it is like this, it's a little bit too much tension. What I also did is that I had a look down here, and I've seen that this bracket can be bent so that the clutch cable goes in more straight and you have less friction. So that helped a little bit, because here in the end it's also adjustable or flexible, let's say. So it doesn't mind if you put it nice on this bracket. You can just bend it a bit. Biggest update is that I discovered that my seat screws, and I can show you on the other side, are pretty fucked. Sorry for the language, but you see how it is cracked up there in the corner and everything. So I designed a quick 3D print to solve that issue. And let me show you how that issue is solved now. So this is a 3D print. It's like a 3mm thick. In this case it's PLA, but the final one will be printed out of ABS in white. And I'm gonna put it in now so that you see how it attaches. So that's not an easy job one-handed. So let's see. There we go. So you put it in there, and that's basically it. So it will sit in there, and if you want to, your final one, you can of course glue in the plastic piece, and then you have the screws inside. And I designed it in a way that there is enough thread left inside, right? So you have like 5 to 6mm of thread, so that is enough to go into your seat. Where's mine? Over here. So you can see that the thread is directly on the border, so you don't lose any millimeters or nothing. I will upload the file as a STL file, and also maybe my 3MF from the Bamboo Labs P1S, which I used. So yeah, then you can print it yourself and install it how you want. So enjoy riding your Kayo or whatever dirt bike you have. And yeah, always give it the beans. Bye bye.